5, 4, 3, 2.
Remember to try and interrupt pyroclasm.
You guys might want to work your way over to the side.
Is there something that's chaining the engineer in there? How do I get him out?
You got the grip in?
No, it doesn't.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Heads down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dead.
Come over to Skull, guys. I think both are dead.
Security guard
Bring
on.
Feldspar down.
Security guard on.
We'll bring all these guys down. Just run it into the group. Should be able to get it.
Tranking.
Everybody should be focusing Feldspar right now. Heads up for that bomb bag that's about to blow up.
Move away from the gun.
So the blast, that's just the normal, the blast that keeps increasing, right? Just have the area rate to...
So Meat's got one, he should be on the list. Let's all stack up. And
Why don't you mark?
if you get the thingamabob, then you gotta run out. Alright, everybody switch targets. Kill this stupid thing.
Fire collars are in as well.
Move out if you have fire, volatile fire.
So everybody single targeting Skull right now.
Are we making sure to purge?
Yeah.
Can you handle that solo?
You can cyclone the fire collars,
Stack up, kill
if that helps.
Yeah, but the mages might want to do it. For their, they can get a benefit, but whatever. I'm just trying to help.
Bring the fire collars down. Alright. Whoever,
Right,
yeah, bring that
get
skull back over
get
here.
Fig. Whatever you just get over
The
the primal
blast and
elementalist. Don't kill it. Move Skull over to the primal elementalist. Don't kill Skull yet. Not yet. Get it there. There we go.
Use a personal if you have stack, maybe.
Alright, kill all the primal elementalist. Let's move over to the next guy.
Kill the security guards.
The next has one.
Just stacking close, right?
Yeah, stack right on top. Alright, we kill the... whatchamacallit. Alright, move out if you got the thingy bug. Let's see one. There's another step back up.
Is there a fire collar somewhere? I don't see.
If you have a low slag elemental, maybe just move it out.
Oh yeah, when
ish.
most slag elementals die, I think they blow up too.
Yeah, sure. I think there's one on you if you want to move it out. Then we can just kill whenever the next one comes. Actually, you have 3 on you.
We need to kill another
Alright.
slag on the elementals.
No, never mind, you can finish off the element plus keep AOing on.
Yeah, they should be able to see that. It's called shields down.
Alright, I marked a fire
Next
collar, kill it.
elementalist.
Are there guards up? Yeah, kill the guards. And move
They're a
over
bit
to the
behind,
next
so let's
thing.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. If we have like a low slag elemental, we could just have that person go to the next elementalist, right? And kind of wait,
Yeah.
so it doesn't get AoE down.
Yeah, terrain. Alright, burn the primal.
Should be a ring that shows you how far to go.
Everybody should be shooting towards purple.
Just kill this guy.
I know, but Rain should be shooting towards purple.
Tranky.
I think that's us cleaving down other elementals and then blowing us up. Get line of cane if we can. Alright, transition time. Bring the ads down first.
Marked a guard.
Get ready to run way back behind purple if you get melt, okay?
We should just stack it, right?
Yep, stack up at purple, run back behind the group if don't cleave. Do not cleave, you're just gonna hurt the melee.
So that pool, that's the thing that we're driving behind us.
Yep.
Is it getting bigger? Okay.
Yes.
Melt on me. So I dropped that one and now we just keep going.
Yep, just keep dropping along the edge. And don't cleave the slag elementals, guys.
So no AoE?
I mean, if it screws up your DPS, go for it, but everybody should not be trying to kill them. It only
This is the
hurts
new
us.
Grobulus.
Alright,
We
so
can
we
rush
just
them
dropped
in 20
another melt.
What healing cooldowns are up?
Bubble.
I'm gonna trank.
Lust.
Can last.
Oh, Can you tide?
I tied it.
Ryan, just revive it when people get low.
Just pull the back. Or we'll run out of room.
I think not killing the ads is a bad idea.
Just don't kill them. Get them all up. Get your Maldron up. Who can res? Okay.
Health stones if you.
Go, guys.
Yeah, just get the hell away from that.
Nice.
Chaos. Nice job, guys.
Super clean.
Super
That was
clean. That's how
awesome.
we do it.
Nice work.
Oh, the loot's in my combat log. It's pretty nice.
It's a cute axe.
What's it called when those ads explode? When the little guys explode.